Hi guys, welcome to my channel today, and in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to create a WhatsApp channel step by step. Without wasting of your time, let's dive in. Just go on your WhatsApp account, click on WhatsApp. Once it open up, then you go to the update icon. You see there where they wrote updates on your WhatsApp where you view your WhatsApp status. Once you just go there that arrow is pointing. Once you go there, you click on that plus icon there now that the arrow is pointing right now. Once you click there, you see create channel, find channel, then you click on create channel. Then once you say, you click on continue. Boom, that is it. Then you start filling your information. First of all, you fill in the profile picture. You choose the profile picture you want to use. After that, the next thing you do, you fill in your channel name, fill in the name. For this purpose of this tutorial, I'll be using online tech. The next thing you do is describe, you explain what your channel is all about. That is what will make your viewers know why they are joining your channel and know what you will be uploading on your channel. So just explain. I'll be just writing a random thing there for the purpose of this tutorial. After that, you click on create. There now that the arrow is pointing at right now, allow it to create. Boom, you have just created a WhatsApp channel within some seconds. So that is how to create a WhatsApp channel. Please, if you did find this video helpful, please do well to subscribe to this channel and share this video, and go to the comment section and follow our WhatsApp channel. Thank you and God bless you. See you in my next video. Bye.